Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about stress, its management, how it affects our body, and what are its management. So let's begin. So today we are going to learn about stress management, or we can also say like how to stop stress and how can we prevent it. So let's begin. Before starting this topic, we should learn some of the key terms. That includes number one, stressor. It means the stimuli that induce stress. Number two, hemostasis, equilibrium of the internal condition of the body. Then inhibit, hold back or forbid. Then cope, struggle successfully. Strategy, skill in managing something. It should be any kind of work. Stress, any adjustment demand that create a state of tension and that requires a change. Now, moving on, the definition of the stress. It is an unpleasant psychological and physiological state caused due to some internal or external demands that go beyond our capacity. Something that affects of in our mind and on our body that is beyond our will, that is beyond our capacity, that we can handle it. It is simply known as stress. Then sources of stress is number one, environmental stressors, psychological stressors, social stressors, thoughts, any kind of change in our environment, in our body, in our surrounding, individual personalities, interpersonal issues, and organizational issues. Let's see this diagram. What is the psychological mechanisms in which the stress is included? The stress hormones, blood pressure, and immune system. These are affected by stress in our body. Diseases like cancer, heart diseases, health compressing behaviors like smoking, drinking, poor nutrition, lack of exercise include stress, including event appraisal and distresses. Then symptoms of stresses. Number one, physical symptoms. Muscle tension, hypertension, insomnia, fatigue, headache, backache, ulcer, indigestion, rapid breathing, and heart pounding. This kind of all symptoms are experiences during stress. These are known as physical symptoms, as this is happening in our body anatomically. Then number two, cognitive symptoms. There's a forgetfulness, difficulty in concentration, fear of failure, self-criticism, unwanted or repetitive thoughts. These all are kind of cognitive symptoms that are not in our will. Means they are state of mind. So, for example, forgetfulness. The people start forgetting everything. Difficulty in concentration. The people in stress can't focus on anything. Fear of failure, the main problem, the main cause of stress is this, and it is also is the effect of the stress. Self criticism, unwanted and repeated thoughts, the thoughts that we don't want to think about, that kind of thoughts come in our mind repeatedly. Then emotional symptoms, irritability, depression, anger, fear of anxiety, mood swings. These all are emotional symptoms. That is the cause, that is the effect came after the person having the stress. Number four, intellectually can influence a person perceptual or problem solving abilities. Stress can completely destroy or partially destroys the problem solving ability of that person. Socially can alter a person relationship with others. A person that person he is suffering from stress can't manage his relationship with other people in this society. Spirituality can challenges one beliefs and values. Moving further, general adaptation syndrome. This is the syndrome that is seen in many peoples that are constantly suffering from stress and depression. They are they had developed the abilities of adaptation of that stress. Let's see what is this: alarm reaction, resistance or adaptation, and exhaustion. Alarm reaction. What is alarm reaction? It is in this alarm reaction the person experiences muscle tense, heart beats faster, the breathing and the perspiration increases, the eye dilates, the stomach may clench. What is the resistance or adaptation things? Fatigue, concentration lapses, irritability and lethargy. Exhaustions. They are decreased stress tolerance, progressive mental and physical exhaustions, illness and collapse. These three things have means this alarm reaction, resistance or adaptation, and exhaustion. These are the main key terms of the general adaptation syndrome. Now, stress management, the main point of this topic, and how we can manage the stress. Now, let's see. Number one, take a deep breath, practice specific relaxation and techniques, manage time, connect with others, talk it out, take a minute vacation, monitor your physical comfort, get physical, take care of your body, laugh, know your limits, think positively, clarify your values and develop a sense of a life meaning, compromise, have a good cry, avoid self-medication, look for a pieces of gold around you. Let's discuss everything. Take a deep breath. Whenever you feel exhausted or whenever you feel like you are alone and you don't have anything, then sit alone, take a deep breath. That will relax your muscle, that will give more oxygen to your brain cell, and it will calm your and it will give you calming effect. Practice specific relaxation techniques, just like sleeping, yoga, exercise. This kind of relaxation techniques distract your body from what you are thinking and what causes you to keep you in stress. Manage time. Managing time is the best thing to keep away the stress, because managing time will make you able to do your works all on time and keep away from stress. Connect with others, talk to others, talk to your family members, talk to your friends. This will ventilate your feelings very nicely. Talk it out, as we have talked in our last topic. Take a minute vacation, just for a minute. You don't have to think about your problems. Just take a deep breath, take a minute vacation. In this, close your eyes and just think whatever you like. Just go in your imagination, whatever wherever you want to go. This is small things that can relieve stress from you. Number seven, monitor your physical comfort, just like do exercises, do something, play games, indoor or outdoor, anything. Get physical, get involved in any physical activities. Take care of your body, laugh, know your limits. Don't do any work beyond your limits, and do not try to push yourself. This is the main reason that every people is trying to do more than they can, and at last they find themselves in stress and depression. Then think positively, clarify your values and develop a sense of a life meaning. Please do not think that you are unuseful, that you don't that you are nothing, and this all things. Think positively and know your value, that you are worthy of anything, that you can do a good thing, that you are great, and develop a sense of a life meaning. Think that you came into the world for a meaningful life. Compromise. Don't fight for everything. Just compromise in something. Have a good cry. If you are feeling so much exhausted anytime, just sit alone, just cry out, or be with someone that understands you better, and have a good cry. This can relieve your mental stress. Avoid self medication. Please do not take any kind of medication by yourself. It can it can be very harmful, and it could do many adverse effect in your body. Look for a pieces of gold around you. The meaning of pieces of gold in this sentence is that look for a good person, look for that person who can understand you better, who can give you better advice, who can stand by your side in this hard situation. So this was the stress management. See, if you are in a stress, then you can identify yourself from these things, and also you can identify your friends, your family members who are suffering from stress. You need to do that, to observe them, to identify them, to diagnose them that they are suffering from stress, and do whatever you can to take out them from the stress. Because in today's world, many people are trying to commit suicide because of stress and depression and do not find any solution from them. So if you can help anybody, then it would be a great thing that you will do in your life. Can save a life, you can make a life better of someone. So thank you for listening to us. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope you like this video, and we will come with another topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, and thank you once again.